Well, this is my truck. It's a dream basically, not just a truck. It's a food truck. It was a food truck. So I paid to my labor and they started the work, and they have done the stainless steel work inside. I spent a lot of money on it, but it's broken now. It's completely gone, destroyed. It's just Ali, come here. It's dangerous there. It's last Thursday, strong winds destroyed it. Please help me. I want to rebuild my truck because this is uh, uh, my source of income, supposed to be my source of income. I want to rebuild it. I don't have much cash left, and this thing definitely costs more than, I don't know how much money.